Welcome to day 4, circles. No corners, no sides, just one smooth curve. Every point the same distance from the center. Let's explore the most perfect shape. Here's our path today. What a circle really is. Its parts, radius, diameter, chord, the distance around, and the number pi, and the circumference formula. Fix a center point. Now mark every point a fixed distance away. Spin all the way around. And those points trace a circle. A circle is all points the same distance from the center. That distance is the radius. The radius joins the center to the circle. Every radius of one circle is the same length. Draw another and another, all equal. We label the radius with a small r. It's the circle's defining measurement. Now stretch a line right through the center. From one side, through the middle to the other. That's the diameter. It's made of 2 radii in a straight line. So the diameter is exactly twice the radius. D equals 2r. A chord joins any 2 points on the circle. It does not have to pass through the center. Here are a few different chords. The longest chord of all is the diameter itself. Any part of the circle's curve is an arc. Here's a small arc, highlighted. A diameter splits the circle into 2 halves. Each half is a semicircle. Arc, semicircle. Pieces of the curve. A circle divides the flat plane into regions. Points inside, the interior. Points on the curve itself. And points outside, the exterior. Inside, on, or outside. Every point is one of these. The distance around a circle has a special name. It's the circumference. Imagine unrolling the curve into a straight line. That length is the circumference. For a circle, it's the perimeter. Here's something magical. Divide any circle's circumference by its diameter. And you always get the same number. About 3.14, we call it pi. For school, we often use 22/7. Pi connects the distance around to the distance across. So the circumference formula falls right out. Z equals pi times the diameter. Or, since D is 2r, C equals 2 pi r. Let's try one. A circle with diameter 14 centimeters. Z is 22/7 times 14, which is 44 centimeters, clean and exact. One circle, 3 ways. Concrete, a wheel you can spin. Pictorial, a circle drawn with center and radius. Abstract, the formula C equals 2 pi r. Concrete, pictorial, abstract. One idea. To draw one, use a compass. The sharp point fixes the center. The pencil keeps one fixed distance, the radius. Sweep it around and a perfect circle appears. Same center, same radius, every time. Quick check, 2 fast ones. If the radius is 7 centimeters, what's the diameter? Double it, 14 centimeters. And the circumference using 22 over 7? 2 times 22 over 7 times 7, that's 44 centimeters. 2 traps with circles. Don't mix up radius and diameter. D is twice R. And a chord is not the diameter unless it goes through the center. Read which one the question gives you. Radius or diameter? Always check. Time to think harder. A wheel of radius 35 centimeters rolls along the ground. How many turns to travel 44 meters? One turn covers one circumference. Z is 2 times 22 over 7 times 35. That's 220 centimeters. 44 meters is 4,400 centimeters. So 4,400 over 220. 20 turns. Why do circles matter ahead? In higher classes, the area is pi r squared. Coordinate geometry writes the circle as an equation. And angles in a circle power all of trigonometry. This little curve runs deep. The one big idea today. A circle is one fixed distance from a center. Diameter is twice the radius. And circumference is 2 pi r. Next time, recall and the chapter check.